Today we are going to see a next topic in sound energy, that is propagation of sound. Sound is propagated as a wave. These vibrations travel in all the directions through the medium particles. When these vibrations reach our eardrum, we receive the sound. And sound cannot travel through vacuum. To prove this, we are going to do one active experiment. The name of the experiment is bell jar experiment. In bell jar experiment, take a bell jar and fit a vacuum pump to it and suspend an electrical bell inside the jar and connect its ends to the battery. Seal the mouth of the jar, switch on the key so that the current begins to flow. So we hear the bell ringing. Now pump out the air from the jar using a vacuum pump. As the air is gradually pumped out, the sound gets fainter and fainter, and finally we do not hear any sound, though we see the bell is ringing. By this experiment, it is proved that sound need a medium for the propagation. We cannot talk to our friend on the moon surface because there is no atmosphere around the surface of the moon. And this method is used by the Red Indians for the propagation of sound. They are used in battlefield. They put their ears to the ground to find whether the enemy is approaching their camp or not by the hoops of harsh sound. Okay, by this way it is proved that the sound travel in all the direction and in all the medium. Next, sound as a longitudinal wave. When an object vibrates, its kinetic energy and as well as potential energy possess. When it is vibration means the particles having a kinetic energy. During its to and fro vibration, a medium particles may collide with the neighboring particles at rest and in progress. So it transfers some of the energy to that rest particles. As a result, the particles also start vibrating. In turn, it may transfer energy to the next neighboring particles and so on. This method of propagation of energy is known as a wave motion. So wave motion is the motion of sound through the medium due to the to and fro motion vibration of a medium particles about their respective mean position. In a wave motion, medium particles do not move permanently from their respective position, but the energy moves forward. Okay. Now we go for longitudinal wave. First, before that, we want to know the waves which require the medium for their propagation are called mechanical waves. So, what is mechanical waves? The waves which require a medium for their propagation are called mechanical waves. There are two types of waves there. One is called longitudinal, other one is called transverse. What is longitudinal? Longitudinal wave in which medium particles vibrate to and fro about their mean position along the same direction as the direction of propagation of wave. Okay, sound propagated as a longitudinal wave in air and any fluid medium. Next, transverse wave. The transverse wave means in which the medium particles vibrate to and fro about their mean position along the direction perpendicular to the direction of propagation. In longitudinal, both are in same direction. Vibration also along the same direction, propagation of sound also same direction. But here the vibration of molecules is perpendicular to the direction of the propagation of sound. Water ripples, waves set up on a sitar or a string or the example of transverse wave. So up to this we are wind up and we will continue in the next class.